ln, or sometimes you're going to hear it referred to as just ln. Ln is the inverse of e, or at least that's how I like to think about it. So just how square root is the inverse of x squared and divide is the inverse of multiply, ln is the inverse of e. So let's say you have something like e to the power of x equals 2. To get x, you can do ln 2, right? So let's say we had x squared equals 4. We would do the square root of 4. It kind of works the same way here. Ln is often, used or how should I put this? Ln is used like the inverse of e. And that's basically it. That's how you use it. So, question 3. This is a format that you have seen before. See if you can solve this, please. So we can let y equal e to the power of x. So we end up with y squared minus 8y plus 12 equals 0. When factorizing, you get this. So y equals 2, y equals 6, which means e to the power of x equals 2 and e to the power of x equals 6. Now, we can do the inverse of e, which is ln. So x equals ln 2 and x equals ln 6. And now, depending on the question, if they ask you for a certain number of significant figures, you would just plug that in the calculator. In this case, they've said exact form, which means you just leave it as ln 2 and ln 6. Cool. Have a look at question 5a and 5c for me, please. For A, you want to first get rid of the ln, and you do that by taking e on the other side. 8x minus 3 equals e to the power of 2. Because remember, inverses, right? So 8x equals e to the power of 2 plus 3. X equals e to the power of 2 plus 3 all over 8. They want it in exact form. That is in exact form. In C, I'm going to let y equal e to the power of 5x. So y squared minus 8y plus 7 equals 0. When you factorize, you get minus 1 and minus 7. So y equals 1 and y equals 7. E to the power of 5x equals 1. E to the power of 5x equals 7. We get rid of that bit. We do the inverses. 5x equals e to the power of 1. 5x equals e to the power of 7. E to the power of, ln 1 and ln 7, my bad. Ln 1 is 0. So 5x equals 0, x equals 0. And x equals ln 7 over 5. Exact form, so you leave it as that. And there you go. That is how you use ln.